What's up, Pardesi squad? Hope you guys are all well. I am in Dubai. Pardesi squad.
Pardesi squad. Part of Pardesi squad.
She is part of Pardesi squad. Her name is Natalia.
Hi everyone.
And we are bringing you something very exciting just after Eid.
Hamad.
Hamad. No?
Say Anna Hamad.
Anna Hamad. Rashid.
How are you?
Natalia's husband. This is Rashid's showroom and where he does the dipping.
Dipping, foiling, wrapping, tinting, PPF,
Tinting?
everything.
Ting ki
We
hunda?
do car tinting. Like this car, we have tinted it. The original color was grey. We dipped it in black, matte black.
Jeda marzi rang.
Jera marzi rang, any rang.
मैं अपनी मेहरान भी ले आया थे.
Of course.
क्या कर रहे हैं आप?
ये इस टाइम मैं डिटेलिंग का काम कर रहा हूँ।
डिटेलिंग. तो ये डिटेलिंग क्या होती है जिनको नहीं पता?
जिनको नहीं पता ये उनके लिए होते हैं जो खासतौर लेडीज़ होती है जो अपना मेकअप करती है ना, उनके फिंगरप्रिंट जो लग जाते हैं उनको क्लीन करना।
आए, ये ताना मार रहे हैं आप यानी हैं? Guys, check out these beautiful ducks. Oh, look at that baby one. That one's so cute. Quack, 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 quack. ओए ना लड़ो. ओए. मसाज हो रहा है मसाज. Alright guys, so that's me finally at Lamborghini Dubai. So let's go inside and check out the Lamborghinis. Guys, this is the largest Lamborghini showroom in the world. Alright guys, so here is the brand new Lamborghini Euros. This car is the fastest SUV in the world. $650 horsepower. Zero to 100 in 6 seconds.